The term batter comes from the French word battre, which means to beat. A batter is a semi-liquid mixture of dry and wet ingredients. Cake batters are the form of a cake before baking, equivalent to a paste or bread dough. Before baking, ovens must be preheated and cake tins and moulds should be greased and lined with baking paper. Greasing and lining the tin prevents the cake from sticking and aids in removal. It also helps the cake retain its moisture. When preparing your mise en place, dry ingredients must be sifted twice. This removes any clumps or foreign items, evenly distributes all dry ingredients, and aerates the ingredients, making them lighter and easier to incorporate into your batter. There are two methods used to aerate cake batters: foaming and creaming. Let's go through foaming first. When foaming, eggs are whipped together with sugar to trap air, making the batter lighter. The dry ingredients are then folded into this mix. It's important not to mix the dry ingredients too vigorously, as this will remove a lot of the aeration, and without that aeration, the cake will be overly heavy. Now let's look at creaming. It is important to follow specific steps to avoid the cake batter from curdling. The first step is to ensure that all the ingredients are room temperature. The second step is to cream the fat and sugar well to ensure no lumps are present and the ingredients are well mixed. Add the eggs one at a time, ensuring that each one is fully incorporated before adding the next. Next, continuously scrape down the bowl to ensure all ingredients are being distributed evenly throughout the batter. If at any stage the batter splits, it can be brought back by adding a small amount of the dry ingredients to it. The texture of these two finished methods will be very different once baked. Batters using the foaming method, such as the genoise sponge, are light, delicate and dry once cooked. On the other hand, cakes such as Madeira cakes that use the creaming method are heavier, denser and tend to have more moisture.